Boom!
Boom!
What's
What's
up,
up,
guys?
guys?
What
What
up,
up,
guys?
guys?
Let
Let
me.
me.
Okay, okay. Play,
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 play.
play. Okay. I understand. I understand. Yes, I do. Smart money forex trading concept. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a smart money trading concept that you are actually going to love it. Believe me, guys. Now, mind you, before I dive right in, now it occurred to me, and I want to help all of my followers, my subscribers on YouTube, Telegram channel, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and so on. Now, what I want to be doing now is I want to start a new series starting from today. This series is going to start from today. So make sure that you keep watching this video because you are actually going to love what you are going to see. I'm going to show you the smart money trading concept you have been searching for, and believe me, you are going to love it. So guys, I'm not going to waste much of the time. Let's dive right into my computer. But before then, I want us to do something. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and give me your feedback below in case you love anything you are seeing around, anything you are seeing around, anything you are seeing around. Yes, anything you are seeing around. Yes, anything you are seeing around. Okay, let's go. Play. Okay, here we are. Now, what I'm going to start up with is this. We're going to start up using knowing what an order block is and how you can actually identify an order block. So that's what we are going to start from right now. So, like I said, it's going to be a series. Okay, it's going to be a series of training. So I'm going to start from the basic to the advanced. Okay, but mind you, I may not show you everything, okay? I may not show you everything. But that's not it. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to try as much as I can to explain to you as detailed as possible. So make sure that you pay very close attention to what I'm showing you right now. So we're going to scale back. In order for you to understand this better, I think we should do this. Okay, I'm going to be using this replay feature. Boom, there we are. So by the time I'm done with this, then we are done with today's video. Then I'm going to show you more things as time goes on. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why you should actually subscribe to the channel, and in fact share all my channels, and we are good. Okay, okay, there we are. So what is an order block? First, you need to understand what an order block is. So an order block.
Okay, so before I move right in strictly to the computer, now I need to first of all show you define another block for you. Now, an order block is the last candle that was responsible for the push up of price and or the push down of price, which makes it two, meaning that an order block is two in nature. We have the bullish order block, we also have the bearish order block. So what's a bullish order block? Then what is a bearish order block? Let me explain to you. Now, the bullish order block is the last bearish candle that was responsible for the push up of price, while a bearish order block is the last bullish candle that was responsible for the push down of price. So did you just understand that? Are you still confused? In case you are still confused, let me explain again. Now, just put it this way. An order block, let's say you are seeing price is going up consistently, that is making green candles, then suddenly you see a red candle, one red candle, two red candle, third, fourth, fifth red candles. Now, that last green candle is what we call the bearish order block, and vice versa. Did you get it? Do you get it now? Let me know in the comment section. I hope you really did. Okay, let's move to the computer now.
All right, now that you already know what an order block is, let me show you the practical. Now, an order block, like I said, is now first I'm going to share with you what the bearish order block is, then I'm going to show you the bullish order block. So, for instance, this is the last bullish candle that was responsible for the push down of price to the downside like this, that was responsible for this push. So therefore we can say that this is an order block. So you just project it to the future. Okay, so once you project it to the future, it tells us that in the future price might want to react to that level, but not in all cases. That's why these videos, these sessions is going to be on series, so you just make sure that you watch all through. Okay, so that's what a bearish or order block is. Okay, so let's play this. So now take note, this is the last bearish candle before this 1 2 3 4 5 green candles. So therefore you draw your tool, bring out your tool, your rectangular tool, and you just project that. Where is it? Why you not drawing? You just project that to the future. Okay, once you projected that to the future like this, that's it. You just project that to the future. And what do you do? So this is a bullish order block. So first, you've seen a bearish order block there, you see a bullish order block. So let's continue. You see how price reacted to that order block, right? And now we can say this is a bearish order block. Okay, so let me zoom in so you can actually be seeing these things better, clearer. I think it's better now. So this is a bearish order block. So you delineate it. Is this green candle that's actually the bearish order block? Okay, this one, this one, right? So that's an order block. So let's continue and see what price is doing. So yeah, I guess that's an order block, but this is very little. So there are rules, there are certain rules of applying an order block. I'm going to show you all of this as time goes on. Okay, now another one has been formed, and this is it. This is an order block right there. And what is it called? A bearish order block. That's it. This one, this candle right there. Let me mark it out so you see it. This candle is the bearish order block. Let me change the color to black. All right, so that's what you are saying. Can you even see that clearly? Let me change that to a line, and that's it. Okay, so let's continue and let's proceed and see what. Okay, another one has been formed. So this is an order block as well. I'm going to mark it out again. So in fact, every chart and every time frame you are going to find order blocks in it. So that's one as well. Okay, this one, there are so many. That's why you can't just trade smart money concept just by using order blocks. You are going to fail woefully. So that's why this is a serial. You make sure you pay close attention to it. Okay, so this is it. This is another order block. And what is this one called? Just let me know in the comment section before I say it. Now just say it before I say it. This one, no, it's a bullish order block. Okay, this is a bullish order block. So let's continue and see what happens. You see that our price actually touched it and bounced off. But you don't just trade any order block you see anyhow, because you're actually going to fail woefully, like I said. Okay, so in smart money, there are other things you need to consider to be profitable in your trading. Okay, so let me show you more, then we call it a day. Okay. Now I actually don't want a consolidating market because I want you to learn this clearly. So what I want to do now, I'm going to clear up my chart, okay, and I'm going to remove this. Okay, we're live. Let me show you now. This is it. A bearish order block. This is an example of a bearish order block. You see that right there? I believe you already know now without me telling you, and let me mark it out for you. And that's it. This is a bearish order block. And let me mark out a bullish order block. You see this candle here? This is a bullish order block. Now you see that price actually traded through it, right? And that's why I said you don't just trade any other blocks just like that. There are other things to consider if you want to be profitable in this forex market. Now that's an order block. So this is a bearish, this is a bullish order block, a bullish order block. Why this one is a bearish order block? So that's it.
Boom.
Boom.
That's
That's
it,
it,
guys.
guys.
That's
That's
it.
it.
Very
Very
simple.
simple. Very simple. So a quick recap. An order block is a bearish order block is the last bullish candle that was responsible for the push down of price, while the bullish order block is the last bearish candle that was responsible for the push up of price. So this is one of the smart money concepts, one of the basic concepts you actually need to understand. And as time goes on, you are going to understand more better. So make sure that you pay close attention on every video that I drop on this channel. So by the time you are watching this, and if other series are already ready, make sure you check the full playlist because I'm going to put this on a full playlist. Make sure you watch other playlists on this smart money concept. Then you are going to see that actually you will become a professional trader as time goes on. So don't forget to like the video and don't forget to share these videos with your friend. I'm signing out. Peace.